Giving 90s fine right now. Like, do you see this?
Do I look at the camera? When do I look?
Hi goodie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Alisha Brittany, and if you didn't know, now you know. I wanted to try this for the longest, but I don't know, I just was hesitating and stalling, but I'm so happy I finally did it. This is a flip over method quick weave using Noblessehair body wave in 18 inches. This is his hair in its natural state and I'm obsessed. Usually I like blow dry out body wave hair, but for some reason, I don't know, this hairstyle just called for me to leave it as is. I probably will end up at some point blowing it out and like putting barrel curls in it to see how it looks, but for now I'm obsessed with how it looks. If you want to see just how I was able to style this hair, be sure to stay tuned and keep on watching. Hi goodie, so for this braid pattern that you're going to require for this flip over sew-in, you're pretty much going to want to start by sectioning out your leave out. And for a flip over leave out, the whole front perimeter of your hair is out. I also left out the back because I am a gym girly, so I do have to wear my hair in a ponytail most days as well, but just the very perimeter of your hair is left out. And then you're going to see me do 4 very simple braids for that back / middle section of my hair. The flatter your braids, the flatter your quick weave will lay. However, they don't have to be the neatest braids, especially if you don't keep on planning on keeping this in long term.
Stop playing with them, Riot. He making me thicker. Robert's hard, bitches a sticker. I can be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Baby, I watch how I move. Bitches, they see me, don't know what to do. Like, fatty, I get in my mood. Nigga, munchie, he eat me like food. Damn, he eating it up. Kitty on water, he beating it up. On fire, heating it up. Bitches be dirty, I'm cleaning them up. Give me a tissue. Why would I miss you when you was the issue? Don't wear the shoe if the shoe doesn't fit you. Only around me when it's beneficial. Stop texting my phone. Nigga be feeling like leave me alone. Back in my zone. Don't want the feelings, I just want.
As you can see here, this is how I get the anchor for my hair. So I just take the hair glue and go around the very front part of my cap. That way this will ensure that the cap does not move while I'm gluing the tracks on. This is a very simple process. I know that you can also sew if you don't like glue. You can also use a sewing kit, but I do think you would have to anchor your braids differently on the bottom. And then I'm using a blow dryer just to go ahead and speed up the process of the glue drying. Once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to hairspray. I don't use liquid cap protection, I just use hairspray in order to keep the tracks nice and tight and they don't slip and don't move. I myself just do not prefer to use the liquid cap. You can if you want to, but if not, it's just fine. And once your cap is secure, you're gonna want to go ahead and cut off the excess. Just be very sure that the cap is dry, and also do not cut your leave out.
I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, wish you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good.
So the trick to any flip over quick weave is to make sure that you have enough hair. So 3 bundles I would recommend, because that's enough and that is what I use for this. I know sometimes when you get quick weave, you can get away with 2, but I really believe for a flip over, you need more bundles so that way it's just full enough. It's better to have more than to not have enough, trust me, because you're going to want to put these wefts very close together. The reason for that being is that once you flip it over from side to side, you're going to want to make sure that it looks seamless. So you don't want to see any spacing, you don't want to see any gaps, you don't want to see that wig cap, you just don't want to see it. So make sure you have enough hair and make sure that you're gluing your wefts very close together. The pattern for gluing the wefts is very, very simple. You're going scalp to scalp. And you're making a U. So from the very bottom, I placed all my tracks and wefts the very same way until I got to this point right here. It's just when I started placing them horizontally so that way I could fill in more in the back. And once you get to that very tight rectangle, you're just going to want to start placing them for the way that you kind of want to put your flip over. I did mine both ways so that way I could flip them left and right, as well as wearing it back. And then again, just securing it, blow drying it, hairspray in between every few tracks just to make sure that they're safe and you don't have to go back and double check. And y'all, do you see what I mean when I say they're very close together so you can't really see it? And then whatever that little gapping is right there, your leave out should cover. So make sure you're leaving out enough, and then you're just going to want to go ahead and take out and then set up your leave out just right. You guys, that is the end of this tutorial. I told you it was so easy. Literally anyone can do this, even if you're a beginner and never did a quick weave in your life. If you follow the tutorial step by step, you'll be able to achieve this look just like me. I'm gonna leave the link down for the hair below. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and share it with a friend. And as always, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.